Are you looking for new ways to grow your e-commerce store? Do you want to stand out from the competition and drive more sales? Look no further than ChatGPT, the AI-powered language model that can help take your e-commerce store to the next level. Here are 6 ways you can use ChatGPT to grow your e-commerce business. Method number 1. Writing ad copies. The first way is to use ChatGPT for writing ad copies that convert. With its powerful language generation capabilities, ChatGPT can help you craft compelling and effective ad copies that grab the attention of your target audience and drive more clicks and conversions. For example, let's say you're running a Facebook ad campaign for your online shoe store. With ChatGPT, you can generate ad copies that are tailored to your target audience by simply asking ChatGPT to create a Facebook ad copy for your shoe brand. It will write a stunning copy for you in no time. You can do the same for creating Google ad copies as well. Method number 2. Creating social media captions. Believe it or not, but ChatGPT is really capable of writing highly engaging social media captions in no time. Whether you're posting on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, ChatGPT can help you write attention-grabbing captions that get people to stop scrolling and take notice of your brand. This can help you attract more followers, increase engagement, and build brand awareness. Method number 3. Email marketing and customer service. The third way is by using ChatGPT for writing email copies, FAQs, and influencer messages. Let's say you want to launch a new product line for your online store. You can use ChatGPT to generate email copies that highlight the unique features and benefits of your products, as well as answer common customer questions in your FAQ section. You can do abandoned cart setup, write email campaigns for your new product launch, and even create a complete email automations by using this tool. Along with this, you can also ask ChatGPT for situational responses. For example, let's say the order of your customer is delayed and he is so angry. You can simply ask ChatGPT to write a message to your customer that will resolve the issue, and it will give you a well-crafted message within a matter of seconds. You can also use ChatGPT to generate messages to influencers that promote your products in an authentic and compelling way. This can help you build relationships with influencers and attract new customers to your store. Method number 4. SEO and keyword research. The fourth way is to use ChatGPT for SEO and keyword research. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can help you identify the best keywords to target for your business and optimize your website content to improve your search engine rankings. For example, let's say you're a clothing store looking to rank higher in search engine results for the keyword summer dresses. You can use ChatGPT to generate keyword ideas and optimize your website content for that specific keyword. This can help you drive more organic traffic to your website and increase your search engine rankings. Method number 5. Copywriting. The fifth way is to use ChatGPT for copywriting, such as writing product titles and descriptions. With ChatGPT, you can generate product descriptions that not only describe your products but also persuade customers to buy them. For example, our summer dress collection is perfect for any occasion, from picnics to parties. Get ready to turn heads with our eye-catching prints and comfortable fabrics. This can help you increase your sales and customer satisfaction. Last but not least, we can use ChatGPT to generate marketing ideas and for product research. Whether you're looking for new product ideas or analyzing customer feedback, ChatGPT can help you gather insights and make informed decisions that drive growth and success for your e-commerce business. Now, product research topic is so advanced that we need to create a complete tutorial video to teach you about how you can use ChatGPT for product research. In fact, all the methods we've mentioned in this video deserves a complete tutorial video. So, if you want a complete video on each method, make sure to comment tutorial in the comments section. By using ChatGPT for these 6 key areas, you can take your e-commerce business to the next level and achieve the growth and success you've been striving for. So why wait? Try ChatGPT today and see the difference it can make for your business. Thank you for watching this video.